Alright guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am making a new video, and just my point, to prove my point, the reason why I did what I did is to prove that Charles Finch is a cyber scammer. He is a cyber stalker. He stalks people and he puts people's information up on their website, and he says it's not illegal. Well, then I guess it's not illegal for us to do it to you back, now is it, Mr. Charles Finch? And no, I'm not going to give up to your demands and who you are, because I know who you are. We're looking at you right here, buddy. I know where you live. I know where the Canton Police Department is, and I know where my police department is, and I'm definitely going there tomorrow. So, just on my behalf, from my legal know-how, is to be on safe grounds with your bullshit. Yes, with your bullshit. It is a good idea to go make a police report. Same way you did with Jason DeCanio with the BS saying that he somehow said he was going to cause harm to you. What about all the allegations of you saying you want to put a shovel to his face? We have all those emails. You know, all that. But you say you do nothing illegal? No, it's the other way around, my friend. You started the illegal shit years ago, and then and your boundaries never stopped. Your boundaries went into Hubcap Joe's world. Okay? And unfortunately, I might have got involved a little bit to find out who you were. But I'm not gonna go to your demands. You are a cyber bully, and I'm letting my work know that you're a cyber bully. I don't have to mention where I work. I just have to say that even if they're listening to my videos, I'm just going to say that you are a cyber bully. So I hope that the people and the crew that I work with can understand what I'm doing and why I did it, and why I am letting the world know, like Hubcap Joe and the rest of us, know that what you do online. You run a lot of sketchy websites. I've caught you up in a couple more other scams, you know, and the things you do. But you seem to think it's okay for you to break the law and get away with it, and it's okay, and it's not okay for us to catch you doing it and to put the information up showing people what you do. No, that is exactly what assembly is called. Assembly means to go against you and our civil rights and show people what a scammer looks like. And you are a scammer, and this is what a scammer looks like. So anybody that listens to my videos is definitely going to start listening now, because I don't care what you say about your legal background. Say you have an attorney, you go ahead and bring up your little state bar attorney, because I'm going to tell you something, what's going to happen when you have to go to his state in order to file civil law suit against anybody. You have to go to that state. You have to go to New Jersey and physically file it. So is your attorney going to go to that state and file it? Is he going to send it to the court? Are you going to show up? Because I'll tell you what's going to happen when that happens. And it's not a one-way street, Mr. Finch. It's not ever a one-way street in court, which you think it is in your mind. The evidence is all towards you in the beginning, and it's all going to be towards you in the end. You started harassing Crazy Driver, and he got you called out. He's got the Fox 2 News behind him. He's already had his police reports out before the Fox 2 News did their investigation on you. You harassed Rob Walchek, so there's proof. There's character witnesses there. You harassed me. You harassed people on your website. So we have plenty of character witnesses. So what if I was a flip-flopper? I'm still a character witness no matter what happens. I'm a character witness on both parts, but I'm still a character witness. I'm still a character witness to Joseph DeMarco, Jason DeCanio. I'm a character witness to you as well. So they're going to ask me questions. Oh, okay, so you were a flip-flopper and you were following both parties and saying negative things on both ends. And I'm going to say, yes, I was. Okay, well, that's fine. You said what you said. But I just think you're just going overboard. You're ridiculous. and stalking Joe. Yes, you're stalking Joe. And now you're pulling your shit with me, saying I'm some kind of meth addict. You know, I run a meth lab at my house. Actually, my people at work laughed. I mean, if you want to know the honest truth, they saw it. They all know about it. They laugh. They know it's not true. They know where I live. So I'm not worried about it. As long as I don't mention my work, I can talk about pretty much anything. And I am definitely talking about you being a scammer. And I'm letting my work know that you are definitely a scammer for the stuff that you put up on ebayisajoke video.com. Okay? If anybody is listening from my work, you are definitely a scammer. So this is just to relate who I am to you. And I'm not going to bow down to you because you're a bully online. And you do it to more than just us. You do it to a lot of other people. So it's just not me, Joe, and Jason. You have a lot of other people that you are not thinking about that can bring you down. So before you think about filing a civil action, a lawsuit, you better think about what you haven't told your attorney. I will tell you that. Because he's going to look at what you've told him. He's not going to look. He's not going to see the other side until he starts swapping paperwork between lawyer to lawyer. And then when he sees Joe's proof against you, I pretty much think that your attorney, whatever attorney you can afford through the state bar, or whatever cheap attorney that you have, is going to turn the case down. Okay, he's going to say, I'm sorry, I can't. I can go forward with it, but I'm going to have to charge you more, or I'm going to recommend someone else more expensive that you might not be able to afford. Okay, that's what attorneys do when they think it's something out of their league. Okay, because I really think it's going to be out of their league when your attorney has to talk to Joe's attorney. Okay, and it's going to come down to, really, it's just going to come down to you, both attorneys saying, was this really necessary? Can we come to terms of both you guys just leave each other alone, and everybody leave each other alone so no one gets sued? Because even if you could sue Joe, you'd have to go to his state. Again, I'm mentioning that. You have to go to his state. That's the law. You got to file it in the state of New Jersey, not in the state of Michigan. So, on that alone, you would have to travel. And then I'll tell you another thing. Most likely, when it comes to you suing Joe, good luck. And that's all I'm going to say is good luck. Because one, Joe's a citizen of business of the city of New Jersey. He's got a lot of power behind him. He's got a lot of backup. He's got more evidence against you than you have against him because you started the battle. I guess you're not thinking of the fact that you bid on his stuff and caused fraud with your illegal address with his stuff with eBay. So he's got eBay as backup. He's got all this proof and evidence against you, Mr. Charles Finch, or eBay is a joke, should I say? So I'm just letting people know where I'm coming from, and you can say and do what you want on your little video website, because I honestly don't care anymore. But when you say in your last podcast that me and Jason can say what we want, you really don't care about us, and that I better stop what I'm doing. No, you better stop what you're doing, Mr. Finch, because you started the battle. You got people involved that shouldn't have got involved. You got me involved saying that these people were bad and that they're eBay scammers, which I found out wasn't true. You were the one doing the damage. You were the one causing the scams, because it all came backtracked to you from other forums, okay? And they tracked you bothering Joe. And then you started cyber stalking Joe. So you're a cyber stalker. You are so incensed with Joe that you're sick. And the attorneys are going to see right through that. that you have a lack of respect of life, my friend. You have a lack of respect of life. You don't respect people's rights. You don't respect people's boundaries. You don't even respect yourself. So why don't you start respecting yourself, stop the bullshit, and everybody will go away and step away. But you don't seem to want to do that. You seem to think it's okay to bully and harass and manipulate the truth on your end when you're the one that did the damage. All right, everybody, peace out. Have a great day. Keep that Weiler out.